Your Christmas brunch needs this chocolate peppermint olive oil granola. It's both healthy and festive, so let's make this simple Christmas granola. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Start by adding 298 grams of rolled oats to a large mixing bowl. Next, add in 85 grams of unsweetened wide flake coconut, 57 grams of unsweetened fine shredded coconut, 57 grams of pumpkin seeds, 21 grams of Dutch cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground vanilla bean. Mix this together using a spatula. In a small pot, add half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 127 grams of raw honey, 57 grams of coconut sugar, and 44 grams of maple syrup. Granola is a great thing to make when you have crystallized honey, as you saw that I'm using here. Crystallized honey is safe to eat, but it's just not as easy to spread on toast. So using it in something like granola is a great way to make use of it so it doesn't go to waste. Put the pot over medium heat and heat until the sugar and honey are completely melted. Remove from the heat and add in a half a teaspoon of salt and 2.5 teaspoons of peppermint extract to the olive oil mixture and stir to combine completely. Pour it over the oats and stir with a spatula to coat the oat mixture completely. Transfer to a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper and spread out the oat mixture evenly. Bake at 325 degrees for 20 minutes, then stir the granola to remove the outer granola into the middle and the middle to the outer edges to ensure even baking. If you have hot spots in your oven, it's also a great time to rotate the baking sheet. Even the granola back out and bake again for another 20 minutes or until it looks dark golden brown. Allow the granola to cool completely on the baking sheet before breaking it up into clusters. Enjoy this Christmas granola with milk, yogurt, or just by the handful. If you want more organic Christmas recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.